This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're dealing with a Prius that we're putting a lumbar support into. And this can be done with the seat still in the car. You don't have to really remove anything. This is a expandable lumbar support pillow that has a little bulb to expand it to make it bigger so it can push against the lumbar part of the seat.
Here's one from Amazon that runs about $19. So this would work great.
Normally this is put in not internally like this, but normally it sits in just right behind your back. But I wanted to have one that was built in, so it's pretty easy to do. These little lumbar pillows that have this rubber tube and the bulb, they probably cost about $30 on Amazon. So I put one in. This is the normal metal spring that pushes in on your lumbar. Has a plastic support. So I put in the pillow between the padding of the seat and this plastic lumbar support that comes with the Prius. But I cut out a plastic sheet. It's probably about 4 inches by about a foot, and I put that. I have the cushion, then I have the expandable lumbar support, and then I have a piece of plastic that I added, and then we have the piece of plastic that comes with the Prius. This one seemed to be too narrow. I wanted to push the lumbar support evenly toward my lower back. I wanted to spread it out, so I added this. You may find that just putting the pillow between the cushion and this plastic piece that comes with the Prius is enough. I just wanted it to be a little bit wider, so I added this piece. But pretty easy to do. You just order this lumbar pillow, and see if they have the info on it. But I just got it from Amazon, and it's basically a bladder that can be pumped up with a bulb, and then I just pulled back some of this backing to expose it, so the seat is still in position. Did not remove the seat, and only takes probably about half an hour. So over the years, I don't really want this plastic piece to drift around because it's not really secured in there. It's just being held in by pressure. So prior to putting it in, I put a couple little holes in it with a drill, and I'm just going to use some zip ties to try to secure it to some of the metal pieces here, just so it won't have a tendency not to drift around. And zip ties are great for that. Easy to work with, and they don't come undone. They're great little devices. So I'll put one here and then one on the other side. Keep it stable. We got a zip tie that went through here and around this piece of metal, and then same over here. And I'm going to do one here at the bottom on each side too. And just so that it's a little bit more stable, cinch that down. That'll keep that in one place. Do that on the other side too. So there's a lot of people that have been complaining about the Prius, the older Prius, not having the lumbar support and just a lot of back issues. Tended to be taller people, but not exclusively. It's a great car though. Love this car for ease of driving, dependability, super dependable, and can't beat the gas mileage. It's incredible. So these are cinched down pretty tight. I just clip off the excess, and now there's less chance that this thing will migrate through the years, because you know the lumbar part of your seat gets a lot of pressure as you get in and out. You don't want this stuff to move around. So I just cut off these excess points. I'm going to use diagonal pliers, dikes to snip off extra part. It's not critical because all this stuff is covered up anyway, but looks a little bit better. And then to reassemble, we're going to just bring this flat back down and connect it here with little wires that come with the Prius. This comes down. We got to tighten these zippers up first. One, two. So I decided just to use zip ties here instead of the metal ring to metal ring. I just have a zip tie, zip tie, zip tie. So they're so easy to use. So we're going to close this up, and prior to that, take this little cloth piece, bring it across here. Covers that up, right? And then we're going to tuck this underneath. I'm going to cinch up this zip tie tight, and that kind of pulls the lower upholstery to the upper upholstery. Do that in the middle. Pull it tight. We'll go ahead and clip those off with the diagonal pliers too. This side, that cloth piece over there, across, just to cover up everything, tuck it underneath here, tighten up that zip tie, snip that one off. Okay, then we'll tuck this up underneath, tuck this up underneath like that. Bring this down. And then this piece is going to pull underneath, and there's some metal framework that you can wrap this around just to hold this in position. And you're done. So we got that rubber elastic piece tied around there to hold this panel on. So now as I'm driving, or before I take off to adjust lumbar, I can push in on the bulb, and that expands the lumbar support out. And if it's got too much, and press the release valve, that gets rid of the pressure, and then you can just adjust it. So pretty cool. Makes it easy to get the right amount, and then you should be more comfortable as you're driving. So I hope this helps you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.